I will show you how to use manual mode. After connecting to 192.168.5.1 with a browser, you will see this screen. Now it's time to start measuring. Make sure your device is active and it's connected to 192.168.5.1. If it is, you can see the green battery display top right corner. If it's not, you will see gray Wi-Fi logo behind a question mark. When you measure, please set the measurement point. You can also set the measurement point name by editing point definition files. We selected to 04 ISO-4 at this time. Also, when you measure for the first time, please click the measurement button only. You can download it later. This is an example of 10 seconds measurement. When measuring, the time will be displayed in the screen. After measuring, the measurement result is displayed. Next, go to the setting top left corner and select Graph. When you click the bottom right button, it will show the graph of the measurement data for velocity, acceleration including gravity, and acceleration without gravity. This is the graph of velocity. This is the graph of acceleration without gravity. This is the graph of acceleration including gravity. When you click the plus key, you can see other times measurement result more precisely. Now, let's go back to the setting top left corner and click the measurement button to download the file. You can download by clicking download button below and accept downloading a file. File is in a dedicated format. You can convert it to CSV with a computer application and use it. conanair will be powered off automatically if there is no Wi-Fi connection for 2 minutes. Now let's get started. Thanks for watching.